Hello guys, in this video I will show you the best tricks to get great prompts for AI models or the AI models that available in worldwide. So this GitHub repository is gonna be helping you a lot, guys. So all what you need to do is just go for a browser and then copy paste the link I will provide in the description section, and here you will find everything: Gemini, Kiro, Leap, Lovable, Anthropic, which is the cloud code, and so on. So I will give you just an example here, guys, how to do it. Just go for Anthropics and then go for the cloud code and then go for the prompt. Here the prompt is gonna be getting all the important like assistance and so on, how to make an example, how to make the assistant phase and so on. Guys, just follow this, the instructions is gonna be totally worth it a lot. The performance, the outcome, and the desired outcome work. I hope you liked the video, guys. I will share the link. Keep the great thing, subscribe to my channel in order to keep up those kind of the videos. I hope you like the video. Like, share, and subscribe, and peace.